JULYBAMBU operates 5 specialized production facilities in reserve land, spanning 40,781 square meters. Our integrated industrial chain covers bamboo board manufacturing, home furnishings, raw material processing, and bamboo furniture production. From traditional bamboo craftsmanship to intelligent high-end furniture manufacturing, JULYBAMBU's continuously upgraded production ecosystem embodies over 2 decades of industry expertise and innovative momentum. JULYBAMBU uses the most advanced, fully automated equipment to select and cut bamboo poles into bamboo strips. Only the best quality bamboo strips will be chosen for production. The bamboo strips are finely planing in particular dimensions in the carbonization furnace. The bamboo strips release natural starch and sugars with high temperatures and pressure to have a typical brown caramel color. After the carbonizing treatment, the bamboo strips will require drying and sanding. JULYBAMBU uses the most advanced, fully automated machine to sort bamboo strips by color. JULYBAMBU workers will check the quality and colors before pressing them into panels. The bamboo strips can be glued together, either horizontally or vertically. JULYBAMBU set up a constant temperature workshop to balance the moisture content of products. After gluing, JULYBAMBU laminated the bamboo strips into different shapes, horizontally or vertically ways. In a plain pressed panel, the bamboo knots are facing up. The pattern and characteristics of the bamboo nodes are visible. The bamboo strips are vertically pressed in a side pressed panel. It results in a one-ply where the pattern and characteristics of the bamboo nodes are not visible. The laminated bamboo board must be cut flat on all sides and then sanded smoothly. According to JULYBAMBU customer requirements, sometimes bamboo board needs to be sawed into different thicknesses. The bamboo plywood can be packed with an individual shrink. It's the best way to keep the panel in stable moisture content. The company is equipped with state-of-the-art production facilities, including automatic, electrostatic water-based coating lines and fully automated UV roller coating lines, which fully demonstrate our leading-edge technology and robust manufacturing capabilities in the industry. We warmly welcome you to visit our factory and explore our official website at www.julybambu.com.